is ocean currents. Everyone knows. Okay. So ocean currents, I have shared the PDF of the text, 2 pages text, and one is that pictorial diagram of the ocean currents. Okay, everyone have that? Okay. Now, just for the convenience, how many students English medium? Just raise your hand. Okay. Now, and Hindi medium? Okay. So I'll go for the English or Hindi. Just raise. Okay, English. Okay, very good. Okay. So just while the class is going on, just keep quiet so everyone can hear my that whatever I am telling you can audible. Okay. Last person. Yes. You can hear me? Okay, very good. Okay. So first we have to understand what is the ocean currents. Okay. So ocean currents, how that important is ocean currents? Anyone? Okay. Okay. If I tell you you need oxygen or ocean currents, which one you will like? Sorry? Not ocean current? Because ocean current doesn't mean for the human life? Yes or no? Yes. Never. Listen. Okay. You are wrong. Absolutely wrong. Not like that. Ocean currents, यदि नहीं होंगे, if it is not existing the ocean currents, that ये अर्थ का planet है, इस पे life ही नहीं होगी. You know? Don't know? Yes. So I have shared the PDF. The first line, what is the definition of the ocean current? Just anyone who can? Okay, just read it. Vertical movement or horizontal movement? Ocean current. Horizontal movement. Okay, this is the flow around the world, all the ocean. This is the water flow from one place to another place. That water mass is moving to other place, is making a current, and this current is happening. What is the cause of the current? There is a wind, Coriolis force, rotation of the earth. This is because of the earth is rotating, that Coriolis force. You must have read in your 10th and 12th subjects, physics. So water body moves from one place to another place, is making currents. Okay, so currents are moving from equator to pole, towards pole, and pole to towards equator. So you know equatorial region is warm, correct? And polar region is cold. So whatever the mass flows from polar region towards the equator region is, polar region to equator region is cold. Because of the cold water mass is coming towards the equatorial, and that warm current is flowing from equator to exactly. So what happened? That second line I have written, I just prepared in the morning when Maipal sir told me, oh, we will prepare some this thing. So I prepare in the morning. So the importance, what is the importance? Regulate climate, support marine life. Okay, what is the support marine life? What is support marine life? I'll come there. One is regulating the temperature. If ocean currents are not moving, that polar region will be frozen, and towards the equatorial region is very warm. Okay, near the equatorial region, that very warm, so fish will be not there. इतना गर्म हो जाएगा कि सारी फिश मर जाएंगी, करेक्ट है ना? और ऊपर के रीजन में यदि ठंडा ही ठंडा होगा तो सब जम जाएगा, करेक्ट? Okay, next is what is marine life? What do you understand by marine life? What is the marine life? Fisheries. What all the fisheries and marine life, all the plants inside. You can see on the earth planet also, that as well in the ocean also we have so many plants. ओके, तो वो प्लांट ही नहीं रहेंगे तो हमारी मरीन लाइफ नहीं होगी, मरीन लाइफ नहीं होगी तो हमारा प्लेनेट पे लाइफ ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगी. ओके, नाउ यू नो वेयर दिस ऑक्सीजन कम्स फ्रॉम. सी. Yes, 80% of the Earth planet, that oxygen what we have on the climate, that 80% is oxygen is produced by sea. That is that seaweeds, and another 20% is produced from that all our rainforest and this all tree and all. Okay, so this is very important. So if I will tell you that there will be no current, no marine life, no oxygen. So now again I'll go back to my first question. If I'll tell you choose the oxygen or that ocean current. No, both are important because without ocean currents, that life would be not existing on the Earth planet. Correct? Because oxygen नहीं रहेगा वहाँ पे, हैं? और हमारी मरीन लाइफ नहीं रहेगी, फिशरीज नहीं रहेगा, इकोसिस्टम पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. ऑल दैट इकोसिस्टम विल बी गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब, एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपनिंग नाउ. That now very serious thing is that, what is that? Global warming. Because of that, on the polar region, that ice is melting and that water is coming to the ocean, and that is that global warming is the next striking thing. Okay, so that in the second importance, regulating climate, support marine life, influence weather patterns. Influence weather patterns, what is that? Our that climates we have in the Indian region. What all climates you have? Summer, winter, autumn and rainy season. Okay, that will be not there. You know that we have the monsoon, southwest monsoon, because of the ocean. Correct? Exactly. That southwest monsoon will not exist. We will not have rain. The first rain will hit in that Kerala coast in the month of May and June, and that will last up to that August and September. At September end of the monsoon season. So that will not exist. Okay, another on the east coast, if you go on the east coast, that another rainy other pattern. West coast, different pattern. So influence weather patterns भी गड़बड़ हो जाएंगे. Why I am telling you this topic? Because in DNS, if you will have this idea for the company interview, if you go and if you will tell 10% of this, they will be very impressed on your interview. So that is why I choose today ocean currents. One day I will tell you the ocean routes, and one another day I will tell you what is the sailing routes and all, what all the climates. 3-4 session I will take, and yeah, bridge equipment as well. Yes, bridge equipment also I will tell you. Okay, so these will be helping, these things will be helping in your interview. Okay, next is that what is that weather pattern and aid navigation, classification of ocean currents. Correct? So aid to the navigation also. You know, this is a very important thing for the navigation. When we are navigating ship one place to another place, this current is very, very important. I will come on that point. Okay, next is by temperature, how will you classify that currents? There are two types of the current. One is the warm current and one is the cold current. Already I explained. Warm current is going from that equator region to the polar region, and polar region to the equator region. What is that? Cold current. Okay, can you name it any cold current? There is a arrow in the red mark, is that all warm current, and red is cold current. You can see. Okay, these are the red mark is that Okay. Can you tell me that three major current? Warm current is one, is that very famous. Anyone is watching National Geographic? Who is watching National Geographic? Someone is watching cartoons. Someone is watching horror movies. Someone likes to movie type of that action movies. So who likes that National Geographic channel? Anyone? No National Geographic boy here, huh, baby. So if you watch that National Geographic, they will tell sometime they are explaining all these things. Okay. So there are a major current is Brazil current. That is one is that Agulhas. आपने नहीं सुना अगुलास की गर्म धारा? पढ़ा है? Agulhas is the warm current. Huh? You can see in your that pictorial diagram. One is the red arrow, and that arrow is coming longer. It means this is the very strong current. Okay. So cold currents are in the blue. Okay, and other currents are in the black. Correct? Okay. So हम बात करते हैं now. What first we will talk about the equatorial current. Okay. In the world map, if it is a world map, okay, on the world map you write V. This is the west coast, this is the east coast. If you go on the South America, this is the west coast, this is the east coast. South African region, west coast, east coast. Very simple. On the earth also like that. Okay. So northeast, very simple. On the north end, this is south. Very good. Okay. So this is the equator. So earth is rotating on is on axis. So the currents, this is 30 degree. 30 degree north, that is 30 degree south. Very good. This is 0 degree.